My name is Nicole Grunswick, and I am the Executive Director of Region 9 Development Commission. Region 9 Development Commission is a 9-county geography of south central Minnesota. We are federally designated as an economic development district, meaning that our main constituents are our units of government. We work with our counties, our cities, townships, school districts on all things regional. Not every single county has to reinvent the wheel. We can work on things together and address regional issues. Our units of government are able to come to us and say that they're looking for grant funding for a new playground for their community because there's outdated playground equipment. And then we can keep our eyes and ears open when there's grant funding that is available. We have a lot of great organizational partners. One of our organizational partners that we're really close with is the Southern Minnesota Initiative Foundation. Together, we're actually able to share the risk on whether it's gap financing. We both do revolving loan funds. So whether it's an entrepreneur or small business, they really can kind of start or expand. Every year, we have to update a document that is called the Comprehensive Economic Development Strategies. Our team goes out to our communities and asks, how is your economy strong and what are some concerns you have, whether that be workforce or housing, broadband expansion, are there childcare opportunities? We present it to all of our stakeholders, making sure that we're really being comprehensive at looking at our regional economy. And so an example of how we're able to come in is we helped Waseca be able to bring in a new workforce program. So Waseca High School is the only school district in Minnesota that has a program from the Siemens, the German engineering program. We were working with that community on different workforce issues, with getting more folks into that manufacturing space. It's been brought to our attention that a lot of folks in our region, the most we've ever heard, are food insecure. A local funder approached us and said, would Region 9 be willing to kind of get more into this space? And so we have our first ever regional food recovery coordinator, focusing on how can we get food to the people in the region who are food insecure, as well as then to also prevent those items from going into the landfill. Our tagline is we're the partner for progress, and really that's kind of what it comes down to, is that when there's issues like the lack of affordable childcare, we bring those issues up, and then now thinking about what does this community want to look like for the other generations to come. And we have a really, really talented team that are all here for the right reasons, wanting to make our region better, stronger, and more livable.